Hey there, I'm Matt from Tailwind, and I'm going to show you how you can claim your unique discount that's time sensitive in just a few steps. So if you were on one of our webinars, like our e-commerce one here, then you may have either during the webinar or in a follow-up email gotten a time sensitive offer that expires in a few days. So I'm going to show you how you claim that. If you follow either of those links, you should come to a page like this one. Where you get this limited time offer, you got the countdown timer, and as long as this is still good, you should get this page here. So if you scroll down, you'll see that you can start this process in just 2 steps. So the first step is you want to start a trial of Tailwind. Now, this is totally free. You just come in here and just a couple clicks. You don't need any credit card or anything. As long as I have a Pinterest account. So if you don't have a Pinterest account, you need to go to Pinterest.com and create an account and then come back here. But once you have one, you should just be able to click on that here. And as long as it's here, I should be able to give it permission, and it will create a new free Tailwind account. So that's great. All right, so we should be good to go here. I think we're good to go. So once we're done with that, we can probably close this tab out. Then we're going to go to step 2, activate your coupon. So we're going to go ahead and click that there. And as you can see here, we have our coupon here where we've gotten $30 off. And so we can come here, and if we're ready to go ahead and check out, we can apply it right now. And we have the $30 discount applied, or 2 free months. Just one more quick thing to note, this is actually the only page where you will see the special discount applied up here. And so if you go to, say, the main Get Plus upgrade page, you won't notice it taking effect. So I'd recommend just locking that in, knock it out, and go ahead and upgrade. But if you have any questions about that or you want to wait, that's okay. Just reach out to me at matt@tailwindapp.com if you run into any questions, and I'm happy to help you out. All right, happy pinning.